Everybody's heard it, crack your knuckles and arthritis is coming for you. But is it true? Okay, here's the deal. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Yep, you heard that right. Scientists have studied this, and there's zero evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. So, what's actually happening? That satisfying pop comes from gas bubbles bursting in the fluid around your joints. Totally harmless. Now, if you're overdoing it, you notice some temporary swelling or reduced grip strength, but arthritis? Nope, not a thing. So the next time someone gives you the side eye for cracking those knuckles, you can hit them with the facts. Myth busted. Oh, and if you've got joint pain, don't blame the cracking. Check in with a doc instead. Now go forth and pop responsibly.